thank Auntie Debbie and Auntie Michelle for our birthday money that we combined to get this Lego set. And so yeah, let's move on to the video.
Thank you, Auntie Debbie and Michelle.
Yes, thank you. On this video. Hey guys, my name is Luke. This is
Eli.
And today's video we will be building the Venomosaurus Ambush Lego set. It comes with the Venomosaurus and then Spider-Man's little truck thing.
And then Iron Spider.
Iron Spider and Spider Pig. Spider Pig.
And then we can turn it to the back to see how it works and all
This
that.
one can lift up. Then here you push it to shoot it. And then there's like a little slot here where you can put the skeleton. So let's get into building.
Wait. Look at the back. Hot dog. It comes with the hot dog.
Hot dog.
Okay, let's get into building.
Open it first. So this is Lego set 76151. Not too many pieces, but it looks pretty cool.
And it's 8 plus.
And 600
plus. Here's the things. Wow, that's a lot more bags than it is.
There's oh, there's two books. This is book 1. It's like the Monkey Kid.
Yeah.
Book 1. It says right here. Book 1. Oh, and it shows like 3 other sets on the back. Oh, we have this one.
Can I see? Yeah, we have that one. We don't have the other ones. Oh, why is there tires? Yay, for the trip. Number 3 and
Where's number 1? Wait, they probably. Okay, I have
Okay, yeah, you
instruction book.
Oh, there's tons of mini bags in each one. Whoa! Whoa! I've never seen this ever in my Lego days.
Your Lego.
But we've been doing Lego for a long time.
There's the missile. Goes in here.
Cool. And then there's 2 small packages and this tiny. What is this? What is this?
The cape.
You must find cape.
I don't know. Usually capes come in those.
Or it might be the Iron Spider stings.
Oh yeah.
Never mind, it's the blue wire.
Oh, it's wire. Whoa. Where's the wire?
What are these? They're elastic bands. It's not.
Okay, we'll put them back inside for safe keepings.
Yes. When we need them.
Put the sticker. Okay.
Oh, this is how you put these. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. This.
Here's the character piece.
Bonk.
Okay, let's open the instructions. Page 1.
Can I do the character?
Yes. Okay. On step 2. Step 3. Oh, more step 3. And now we go on to time lapse. Time lapse. So this is the car. I'm done building it. Oh, as you saw.
Normal car. Forgot what it's called.
I think it's like this. Like,
Monster truck or something?
oh no, it's supposed to go like this. Oh.
Nope.
Anyway, so there's the cannon.
Rocket.
There's the cannon here. There's the button.
Did that hurt?
No.
Okay, just
And Spider-Man can go here. It's like this. And the motor. Then this is the bottom. As you saw, this is what we use the elastic bands for. And yeah, that's this part. And now we move on to the book.
Why does that
Get
book?
this out.
Now I can see that it looks like 2 bags. So it looks like.
So let's get on to the video. Well,
After
onto the video.
Well,
onto the second bag. Okay.
Well, I continue trying to.
Oh wow, we
build
already
this
did
guy.
smooth our pig. Smooth our pig. Smooth our pig. Does whatever a smooth pig does. Smooth our pig.
What does
Smooth
this
our pig.
spider pig do?
Smooth her around.
I mean, I guess.
Smooth our pig.
This looks awesome.
Okay. Step 1. Oh, we make the egg. The venom egg. Venomosaurus. Hey guys, we're back. We finished bag 2. This is bag 2. We're on bag 3. And there's also the monster egg. The Venomosaurus monster egg guy with the skeleton. And there's the body, I think, of the Venomosaurus. And then there's a...
This is gonna be the mouth.
No. This is not the mouth. Pretty sure that's not the mouth, but
Same.
so what'd you say was the mouth?
I don't know. Because I'm crazy. Even though I'm not crazy, although I'm crazy, but I'm both. Bruh. What are you doing? He was gonna secretly be hiding?
Oh. No, I was trying to...
Make him try to kill them?
No. Why? He's
Secret.
just trying to stand there.
And kill them. And slaughter them.
Okay, now we go on time lapse. Jinx.
Jinx.
So we're done bag 3. We're moving on to bag 4. First page is Venom. And this is what we have. This is the leg of the dinosaur. Both legs and then the feet. That probably hurt. And then the body, he looks like a frog, kind of.
Frog?
A frog. Oh.
Sort of, yeah. But at the same time, He's a dinosaur.
So, yeah, definitely bag 3 so far, and let's move on to bag 4. So we're done building the set. We were at the last page. Flip it. Oh wait, we're not done. These two go off. Oh, we're still missing. We're not done. We said we're done. Extra pieces. We need more pieces. Pieces. Eli, you said we're done. My guy.
Okay, here.
Almost done. Wrong piece. It needs to be the one that you actually get. Almost done. I didn't expect us to not be finished. I thought you were finished, yeah? Okay, now we got the pieces.
Yes.
Anyway, so we're done with the build.
And we have a few things to show you.
Wait, I do need to grab one.
You also need to grab one?
No, oh, you just gave it to me.
Looks like I can't build whatever I want to do. But it's fine. It's just, I can... Wow, this is a lot of pieces.
Those are all the pieces. There we go. Can I see what?
One spider pig head.
Okay. So now, oh, it fell off. It's like a little handcuff device.
That you can stick under here.
You can?
Yeah.
Is that where you're supposed to stick it?
Yeah, you're still... It said that...
What did it say?
There, look.
Oh yeah, underneath his chin, right here. Boom. Boom.
But it can be any character. But on the box, I remember it said Spider Pig.
On the box it showed Spider. Oh yeah, I remember that.
Spider Pig. Spider Pig. Wait a minute.
It's this guy.
Wait a minute. Is this hot dog made of beef?
Hold up, is this supposed to be shooting back? What? I put it on backwards. It's shooting backwards.
No. You don't have to take the whole thing apart. You just flip it. Lucas, somehow this fell.
I don't know why that didn't pop into my head.
Now I know where
it makes sense.
Okay, and now we have a few things to show you after we're done all this.
What
is happening?
Boom.
Oh, that is cool.
He kind of looks like a lizard. Which dinosaurs technically do look like lizards, but this guy looks more lizardy than a regular lizard. So these are all the pieces. You have this with the eggs, the monster eggs. You have the trick, and then you have the monster. And we're Spooder Pig. Why'd you put Spooder Pig all the way over there?
Wait, isn't this hot dog made of beef?
Beef? I mean, some hot dogs are
Pork.
There we go.
Okay, now.
And also, it's Spider Nose. He has Spider-Man's face on his nose. Spider Nose. Spider Nose. Spider Nose. Spider Nose.
And
So
these are the characters. Venom?
Spider Nose. They forgot to add one character on there. There's Venom, Spider Pig, Iron Spider, Spider-Man, and Spider Nose. They forgot to add Spider Nose.
So now we have these that we already have. Well, this always breaks whenever I play with it. Yeah.
The jet, the Spooter jet. And all our character. Oh, Green Goblin's missing hand.
That's where he's sad.
No. So these are from our previous builds. Then
We have one more.
Oh. Whoa. Boom. That brings our total Venom count to 3. 1, 2, 3. This guy's
4.
This is by far the coolest though.
Yeah.
Take that back.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.